Today is day 7 of posting every day until I become a famous YouTuber. Yo, it's finally a week, bro. Oh my days, bro. So right now we are sitting at 45 subscribers, bro. Bro, in 1 week, let me just say in 6 days, we're able to acquire we're able to get to 45 subscribers. Bro, I'm so excited, bro. Because when we hit 50 subscriber, I'll be able to go live on YouTube, which is a major breakthrough, bro. I really want to thank everybody that have support these, man. So today is day 7, man. So keep supporting anybody that see this video. All I need from you is for you to is for you to subscribe to this page. Please make me famous on YouTube. That is all I want, bro. Please support me. Let's make this happen.